Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Hey Siri is not working in any iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and your Hey Siri is not working, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. You just have to open up your settings. In settings, simply scroll down and look for Apple Intelligence and Siri option. Simply select that option, and from here you have to enable some settings. So first is that you have to enable Apple Intelligence from here, and once you have enabled, simply select talk to Siri, and here you have to select Siri or Hey Siri option. And once you have selected, your Siri will work. Simply tap on this continue option, and here you have to make some steps. So once you have that, you just have to go back and here select allow Siri when locked, and here you have to enter your passcode, and that's all. In this way you can easily fix if your Hey Siri is not working. You have to make sure that you have complete this setup first. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.